Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so I want to talk about tight forearms today and stretches you can do to loosen your forearms. Because if you have TOS, you probably have tight forearms and you get a lot of elbow pain and all those symptoms down your forearm that are associated with TOS. So I want you to think about this concept. Your arm is like your leg. Your hand is like your foot. Forearm is like your shin and your calf. And the top of your arm is like your hamstring and quad. So if you walk and your foot pulls a bit in, your knee is going to pull in and your hip is going to pull in, and you're going to walk a bit skew and your body's going to compensate and you're going to get lower back pain itself. So I want to show you a very simple movement that you can do with a ball and a very quick stretch you can do to start loosening up your forearms. It's a simple, quick stretch. All you need is a ball. You can use a tennis ball preferably, but my muscles are so used to it that I use either a golf ball or something a bit bigger like a hockey ball. So all you need to do is go to the table, place your palms down, and keep your arms straight and lean forward. You want to get a stretch and extension in these forearm muscles. Now, if your forearm is very tight, you're going to be very limited in how far you can go. The more supple you get, the more range of motion you're going to get in your wrist, and the better your external rotation is going to be over time as these muscles loosen up. So I want you to start, lean forward, keep your arm straight, feel the stretch down your forearm, hold it for a few seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, and then relax. Feel what it feels like. Stretch it again. Now, once you're in this stretch, you're gonna feel how tight this area is. And from here, just mark. Take a pencil or something that you can mark your skin with and just feel exactly where these tight areas are. It's gonna be very tight, closer to your wrist, and you might have a few nodules up and down your forearm, front and back. Mark them, and then I'll show you what you can do next. Okay, so what I do is lay a cloth down so the ball doesn't slide around too much. Now, as you can see, I've marked off the forearm in 4 sections. So what I want you to do is work each section individually, concentrate on each section at a time, and move up until you've reached the top. So there's a few different motions you're going to do on each section. What you want to do, place your arm onto the ball, and you want to roll forward and backward. Just go for a few seconds, and then you want to go in a circular motion. Let's just get this not to slide around. You don't want to put too much pressure, you just want a comfortable pressure, and you can feel what feels good and what feels too hard. So go very gently in the beginning. So you want to go one way and go the other way as well. Just feel the ball gliding over all the tendons and ligaments. Okay, once you've done that, you can hold the ball in place, find one of those spots that you've marked off, feel where the tightness is, and place your hand above and press down slightly. Open your hand and just extend your hand upwards. Just a few times. You can also roll your wrist around, and you will actually feel those tight areas move over the ball in such a way that it starts breaking the little nodules down. So you want to do that. First section, move on to the second section and do exactly the same thing. So you'll hold it here, apply the pressure that you need, roll back and forth along, go in a circular motion one way, and then you want to go in the opposite direction. Once you've done that a few times, place your hand on top, push down a little bit, open your hand, and just move your wrist upwards. And then you can just roll it around and just feel all those ligaments and muscles gliding over. Now, some spots will feel a little bit more tender, and those very tender spots should be on those spots that you've marked off where the little knots are. So you can work all the way up, and just doing this is going to loosen up your whole forearm. And when you go back to this stretch, you're going to feel that you can go way further now, and your thumbs can rotate outwards more freely. Now this external rotation of the thumbs is important. You want to do this constantly through the day. Open up your hands, rotate outwards, because this rotating outwards is going to pull your shoulder blades back. It's going to open your pecs, stretch your pec minors, and it's going to make you feel so much better. So give this video a try, comment, and I hope that it helps you.